Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are a bread enthusiast, then this bread proofing kit from Spardar is going to be your new favorite.
I am for sure a lazy bread baker. So at first, this seemed really daunting for me. But even if you're just making something as simple as a peasant bread like I made here, you can still use everything in this kit. It even makes the most incredible fancy bread, as I like to call it. I enlisted some help from my brother-in-law, and he helped us make the most amazing fancy looking bread. And these proofing baskets worked so well. They left the most beautiful marks, and we were able to cut these gorgeous designs into it. I really appreciated all of the thought that went into the items in this kit. The silicone mat works so well, and all of the different tools that it comes with really have made the baking experience top notch. I really recommend this for anyone.
I love that this bread kit has inspired me to try new kinds of bread. I really love everything that it came with. I think it is such a great set. It would make an amazing gift for the bread lover in your life, and that is my point of view.